Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Unplugged Hustle, the place where we're trying to build a future without losing our brains, sleep, or personalities in the process. If you ever felt stuck between wanting to do something big and having no idea what that something is, today's episode is for you. Because that confusion you hate, it actually means you're on the right track. Growing up, we were told you can be anything you want to. Wonderful, truly inspiring. Until suddenly, anything becomes every single thing. And now you're supposed to pick your entire future before you've even figured out your coffee order. Dentist, engineer, founder, researcher, astronaut, a person who gets paid to take naps? Sounds fake, but I'd apply. And somehow, we're meant to choose a career like we're choosing socks. We are teenagers and people ask us what we'll be doing at 45. Let's be honest, most 45-year-olds are still figuring it out too. They are not sure of what they're doing with their life. So, we can relax. Confusion here is normal. It's human. Most of us think we procrastinate because we're lazy. More often, it's because we're afraid the effort won't be worth it. Young adults today are surrounded by more possibilities than any generation before. Hundreds of paths, careers, skills, lifestyles we could try. And with choices comes a subtle fear. If I pick one thing, I might miss something better. So, many of us stay still. Not because we don't care, but because we care too much. That's not laziness. That's pressure in disguise. There's a quiet belief floating around these days. I'll start when things settle down. But the truth is, time rarely settles. Life is mostly in progress. School deadlines, family expectations, stress, uncertainty, they don't form an orderly queue. They tend to arrive together, often with a terrible timing. If we wait for perfect moment, we'll stay waiting. Ironically, confidence is something you earn after taking the step, not before. It's less be fearless and more be willing to begin scared. People often treat confusion like a stop sign. But confusion actually means you care, you're paying attention, and that you want to build a life on purpose instead of drifting into one. And adults, they feel the same way. They just pay bills and taxes while doing so. Everyone secretly wants their first attempt to be impressive. Like step 1, genius. Step 2, success montage. But reality, episode 1 is always awkward. Your first business idea, artwork, gym session, podcast will feel clumsy, maybe cringe, definitely imperfect, and that's exactly how it's supposed to be. Confidence doesn't show up first. You earn it by being a beginner, by showing up when you don't feel polished, and by letting yourself learn out loud. Messy is step 1, amazing comes later. So, the next time that your brain is running in loops, here's the reset method that you can use. Step 1 is choose one thing for the month. Not your lifelong identity, just a temporary experiment. Shrink it down. Make it tiny enough to do on your worst day. 10 minutes also count. 5 is fine. Remember, momentum is greater than intensity. Keep it quiet. You don't need to announce it to the world. Work in silence so you learn for you, not for followers, likes, or imaginary critics. Check in at the end. Ask yourself, did it feel good? Did I learn something? Do I want to continue? If yes, repeat. If no, pivot. Now, when I say pivot, I don't mean quitting. I mean feedback. Changing a direction. changing the method. Winning is not youngest millionaire, fake productivity, impressing strangers on the internet. Winning is learning about yourself, trying things on purpose, and getting a little better at being you. If you're doing that, you're already succeeding. You don't need a 5-year success plan. You only need one decision, one action, one tiny movement today. Because momentum always beats clarity. If you're listening and you feel stuck, not because you don't care, but because you care so much that you don't want to choose wrong, welcome. You're in the right space. You don't need certainty today. You just need movement. You just need to move forward. Because, like Brad Pitt once said, we can't if we don't try. This is the Unplugged Hustle, where ambition is real, pressure is optional, and we grow at human speed. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, stay moving, stay learning, stay curious.